Alright, welcome to another episode of How Good Is It? Next up we have a cordless ratchet wrench by Ninouko. It's 12 volt lithium battery, 3/8 inch drive, 0 to 400 RPM. Here's the box, and of course, not into unboxing, but we're just going to open it up right here. You might not be able to see it. There's the case. The instruction manual right there. Nice case it comes in. And here's the ratchet. And what I really like is it comes with not one, but 2 batteries. So that's nice. And you just plug it in to the charger, keep it into the charger, plug it in, and that's how you charge it. So that's good. So it's going to go ahead and snap that in there. That's what it looks like. Comes with some pieces. And we're just going to do a quick little video just undoing a chair I have over here. And yeah, this is the Ninouko cordless ratchet wrench. What do we want to know? We want to know how good is it in 5 minutes. Here we go. The Ninouko cordless ratchet wrench. Buy it or deny it.